Hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 9 of GK and the name of the chapter is pollution. So as we all know कि आजकल के टाइम पे air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, all kinds of pollution are being increased day by day. Yes, so in this chapter we all are going to learn about those pollutions, कि how are they being caused and how can we control them, right? So let's begin with this. There are different kinds of pollution. हमें पता है कि there are various kinds of pollution, right? Some of these pollutions are, इनमें से कुछ pollutions हैं air pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution and water pollution. All these are kinds of the pollution. As you can see, air pollution being caused due to the smoke that is being emitted by the factories, right? Soil pollution, जब हम जितना भी हमारा सारा गार्बेज होता है हम लोग उसको डंप करते हैं अंडर द ग्राउंड, सो दैट इज really decreasing the fertility of our soil, hence soil pollution is being caused, right? Noise pollution, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा शोर मचाना, लाउड म्यूज़िक सुनना बिना किसी रीज़न के इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज द नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज़ द वाटर पोल्यूशन. अब जितना भी हमारा गार्बेज है समटाइम्स वी यूज टू थ्रो इन द वाटर, इन द लेक्स, इन द रिवर्स. दैट इज़ वाई water pollution is also increasing day by day, right? So let's move ahead. Now they're asking us to read the clues and write the kinds of pollution in the blanks, right? तो हमें यहाँ पर clues दिए हुए हैं and we have to read them and identify that which kind of pollution is being caused over here, right? So the first one is, if you burst crackers at midnight, you would create. Obviously, अगर आप रात को crackers जलाओगे तो आप कौन सा pollution create करोगे? It will be air pollution, right? So air pollution is the correct answer over here. Next, if you played loud music at night, you would be creating. अगर आप बिना किसी रीज़न के रात को बहुत तेज़ गाना चलाओगे या बहुत तेज़ लाउड आवाज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा शोर करोगे तो what kind of pollution you will be creating? Obviously you will be creating the noise pollution. Noise pollution. Next, petroleum that spills from the tankers into rivers and seas creates. जितना भी सारा हमारा पेट्रोलियम होता है, जितना भी वेस्ट होता है, हम लोग उसको ड्रेन कर देते हैं where? In the rivers and the seas, right? तो वो कौन सा pollution बनाता है हमारे लिए? It creates the water pollution. Next, a bus that is very old. एक ऐसी बस जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पुरानी हो गई है and gives out a lot of smoke, और वो बहुत सारा धुआं जो है वो बाहर निकाल रही है, right? So at that point the pollution which is created is air pollution, right? Next, a factory is dumped chemical waste into rivers and lakes. फैक्ट्री जो अपना वेस्ट होती है वो कहाँ डंप कर रही है? इन द लेक्स एंड इनटू द रिवर्स, राइट? सो उस पॉइंट पे कौन सा पोल्यूशन क्रिएट हो रहा है? अगेन इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज द वाटर पोल्यूशन, राइट? So I hope you all have learned a lot about the pollution, that how is pollution being caused. So that is all for this chapter. Thank you so much and have a good day ahead.